Let me check. You did put it. Okay. What song are we dancing to? Okay. Well, we're doing a Gateron dance to this song, which you guys are gonna hear in a second. Listen, I don't pick what you guys pick. I have no choice in the Gateron dances that you guys choose. You guys can choose whatever you want within like you know, certain means. Ban? I can't ban for Simon Coin Redemption. Wait, did you already ban him? Ban Simon, please ban me, God. Here, I will ban myself. See you guys. I'm just kidding. Hey, this is the worst thing I've ever subbed to. Listen, okay? Wait. Okay? I'm gonna say this loud and clear so somebody can clip it so I can use it as, my frames are dead. God damn it. Alright. Okay, my bitrate is back to normal. I'm gonna say this nice and loud with no background music so you guys can clip it so it can become a new notification sound. You have many choices in keyboard streamers, and you made the wrong choice. Thank you for the 3 months, by the way. Thank you both for the 3 months. Both of you are at 3 months. Holy shit. Fucking eggplants are exploding all over the place right now. So I want to make that... The resub noise right at the end? Wait, really? Motherfuck. Okay, let's do it again. We're doing it again, okay? You guys have many choices in keyboard streamers, and you made the wrong choice. All right, there we go. Quick donate. But yeah, I'm gonna make that the raid message. So when like a whole bunch of people raid here, I'll be like, y'all done fucked up. Y'all done fucked up. I got some good blues now. What kind of blues? Are we talking the dark blues? Or the light blues? What's up, boys? Oh, Alps! Oh, you bitch. Why? Why do you tell me things like this? Vint Keys comes in, he's like, hey dude, I just got a whole bunch of brand new fucking blue Alps. And I'm just like, can I have some? He's like, no, they're for me. I'm like, why the fuck are you telling me? Why? Why you do this? It's like, ooh, look at this. You wish you could have this. Ooh. Just get a lady with a good voice to narrate Simon. I can barely afford to, like, have Simon narrate Simon. Alright, where are we gonna put all these keycaps? I have an idea. Oh, god damn it. Stop giving me money, you cuck.
Play that clip.
Thank you, Lovador. Eggplant neon sign update. I checked it today. It has yet to ship. I'm gonna send them a very angry email in like 3 weeks. For me, it's not high priority, so. There we go. See, this is how you keep your your keycaps safe. You get a nice big bag like this, and you just fill it with the keycaps. You're not gonna lose this. You're not gonna lose this sucker. It's like it's the size of you. It's perfect. I think you're using the bag wrong. It's supposed to go on your head. No, that's how we do bag lubing. Let's do this and then turn off the webcam. There we go. Now we can get some action and we can even get some good lighting. There we go. Ta-da! Look at us. We got lighting and shit. Look how fancy this lighting is for the macro cam. The macro cam. Oh, look how bright that is. Let's just turn up all the lights to 100%. All of the lights. Just literally all of the fucking lights. There we go. Just blind me, baby. Oh. Alright, let me turn it back to normal so I can stop blinding myself. Yeah, the multicam should be way better now. What I will work on is priority multicam. So multicam, but like focused on one thing at a time. So I can do like a macro focus or an overhead focus. Alright, anyway, what we are doing is desoldering all of these Gateron clears. Sorry for the bumpy ride. We've got our lovely desolder gear. We've got our lovely $18 iron. We've got our thingy. And we've got our... all the good shit. How long does 30 mils of vape last me? It lasts for like... a week and a half at 50 milligram. Are all these coming off your atom? No, my atom is right here. It's gone. I don't have it. Everything's going directly into my computer now. I bought like a fancy ass 4 HDMI, 4K, 60 HDMI capture thing. And that's why am I dropping all the fucking frames? Why are the frames dropping? Okay, I'm curious. Okay, view, stats. I want to see why the frames are dropping. I need to know why they're dropping. They are network. They're network drop frames. Okay, so the internet is just being a bitch. Output, let's turn it down. All right, there, I turned it down. Simon, you're 0 FPS. What do you want me to do, dude? It's just, it doesn't do what I ask it to do. It just drops the frames for no reason. Have I seen the desoldering machine that costs $500? You mean the desolder gun? Guessing you're on a VPN? No, you literally just can't stream over a VPN. I've tried. It just doesn't work. Like, Twitch knows. And the second they realize, they just shut you down. Simon, do you like having tactiles on mods and linears on alphas? Not personally, but I can understand why. Though it would make more sense to have linears on alphas because you're holding them down more often. Sorry, linears on mods because you're holding them down more often. And then tactiles on alphas because those are things you press very quickly, I guess. For me, it makes sense the other way around. Let's get our desolder action on. Is this not synced? It is synced, okay. It was weird. I didn't realize my hand